long and beautiful eyelashes. See, and there we go, JJ. Say hello to our audience up front. Mr. Well, make your welcome in flight. Good boys. Now, folks, hornbills are known to be monogamous. Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Exactly, sana all. So, nila flight pa ha? So, kung ginabuhay ka lang sa tuwa, tama na na. Pero, as the way from how Mr. and JJ finds the potential partners, I need everyone to shout fly at the count of 3. Okay, so let's go for a trial run first. Okay, shout fly at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! Again, sa akong left, yun na lang yung energy. Kasabot akong left. On my right side, 15 minutes na okay. Siguro lagi po. Kung hindi habang nagluyanin po. One more time lang, please, a bit louder with more enthusiasm para pag nagluwa ng mga hayop no, I said fly.